Hello students, welcome. And in this video, we will discuss the follow-ups for describe a place where you have taken photos more than once. First question is, do you like to take photos? Yes, I love taking photos as it is a creative outlet. Creative outlet means you can express yourself. A way to document my memories and milestones. Also, since social media has come to the forefront is at the center. The number of photos I take has increased exponentially. Okay. The second question is, where do people often like to take photos? In my view, people often like to take photos in visually appealing locations. Visually appealing locations like places which are beautiful, such as beaches, parks, scenic viewpoints, famous landmarks, and during special activities or events. Okay. The third question is, who would like to take photos more often, young people or older people? I feel generally younger people tend to take photos more frequently than older people, likely due to factors such as being more familiar with digital photography, smartphone cameras, and the popularity of photo sharing on social media among younger demographics. Young people post on Instagram, Snapchat, and other social media platforms. Fourth question is, would you pay a lot of money to hire a photographer? Yes. For a special occasion like marriage or birthday, I would pay a substantial large amount to hire a professional photographer. While for more casual occasions, I mostly rely on my own photography skills. The fifth question is, on what occasions do people need formal photos? People typically need formal photos for official purposes such as passports, job applications, or professional headshots. Formal portraits are also common for occasions like graduation, religious ceremonies, and weddings. Okay, so this was the follow ups for describe a place where you have taken photos more than once. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button